Lemongrass, also called citronella, is a tall, stalky, tropical plant native to Oceanic Southeast Asia, comprising Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Brunei, Philippines, and East Timor. It is called lemongrass for its fresh lemony aroma and citrus flavor. In Malaysia and in Indonesia, it is commonly known as Serai, or Serai Dapur. In Philippines, it is called Salai, or balioko. Lemongrass is a common ingredient in Thai cooking, especially in tomyam and tom kha khai. And it is called takhrai in Thailand. Besides culinary usage, it is also used to make bug repellent. Lemongrass essential oil is used in aromatherapy to freshen air, reduce stress, and uplift mood. Its stem and leaves are used in folk medicine to promote sleep, relieve pain, and boost immunity. One of the most popular ways to enjoy lemongrass is in tea. In this video, I will show you how to prepare lemongrass tea, along with its numerous health benefits. Study shows that lemongrass is full of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that have the ability to fight against free radicals, which are responsible for the development of cancer cells as well as premature aging. Antimicrobial properties contained in lemongrass may help treat oral infections and cavities. According to the study published by the National Institutes of Health in 2012, lemongrass essential oil showed antimicrobial abilities against Streptococcus mutans bacteria, which is responsible for tooth decay. Inflammation is thought to play a role in many conditions, including heart disease and stroke. Lemongrass contains quercetin, a flavonoid known for having antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits that protect heart health. According to the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, two of the main compounds in lemongrass, citral and geraniol, are thought to be responsible for its anti-inflammatory benefits. These compounds are said to help stop the release of certain inflammation-causing markers in your body. Besides the antioxidant property of lemongrass, which fight cancer, the citral in lemongrass is also thought to have potent anti-cancer abilities. The anti-cancer properties of lemongrass fight cancer, either killing cancer cells directly, or by boosting body immune system. Under the guidance of an oncologist, lemongrass tea is sometimes used as an adjuvant therapy during chemotherapy and radiation. A cup of lemongrass tea could be an alternative remedy for upset stomach, stomach cramping, and other digestive problems. A 2012 study on rodents, published by the National Institutes of Health, showed that lemongrass may also be effective against gastric ulcers. Lemongrass tea is used as a detox tea to increase metabolism, which further aids in weight loss. According to a 2013 report, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, the presence of polyphenol compounds and caffeine content of lemongrass, increases energy expenditure and fat oxidation, thereby contributing to weight loss.
Lemongrass is a rich source of vitamin A and vitamin C, which work as essential nutrients for both the skin and hair. Regular consumption of lemongrass tea might help to strengthen your hair follicles and prevent hair loss. Findings from a 2015 study suggest that lemongrass significantly reduces dandruff in the matter of a week. Lemongrass tea is considered excellent for women's health. It provides relief from hot flashes, and helps in reducing menstrual pain due to its soothing effect. However, since lemongrass tea is known to lower blood sugar levels, people with diabetics should consult their doctor regarding its consumption. The antibacterial and the antifungal properties of lemongrass help relieve common cold, cough and flu. Besides, the vitamin C in lemongrass strengthens immunity. Simply boil some fresh lemongrass along with some cloves, a pinch of turmeric and drink the concoction for breaking down mucus and phlegm that causes congestion. Lemongrass is generally considered safe to use in food amounts, including the amount typically used to make tea. Potential side effects include dizziness, increased hunger, dry mouth, increased urination, and tiredness. Some people may be allergic to lemongrass. Get emergency help if you experience allergic reaction symptoms, such as rash, itching, difficulty breathing, and rapid heart rate. You should not drink lemongrass tea if you are pregnant, take prescription diuretics, have a low heart rate, and have a low potassium level. Lemongrass tea is generally a safe and healthy herbal drink. It is easy to grow or find at most natural food stores. Though many studies were conducted on lemongrass, but mostly using lemongrass essential oil. More human studies are needed using lemongrass tea to confirm the health benefits of lemongrass.
One should not self-treat any condition with lemongrass tea, or use it in place of your prescribed medications without your doctor's approval. I hope you have received some important information in this video about the health benefits of lemongrass and drinking lemongrass tea. If you have liked the video, please click the like button, and let me know what you have liked the most. Please, do not forget to subscribe the channel to watch more similar videos in future. Hope to see you again with another health benefits video soon. Until then, goodbye.